we've got 4 polynomial graphs. That was the dog throwing something on the floor. These are polynomial functions, anything with x to a power that's a natural number. And we've got 2 reciprocal, he's going to drop it again in a minute, reciprocal graphs. There we go, 1 over x and 1 over x squared, and we've got 1 exponential. I think I'm just going to take it off him and give him a quieter little toy. Can I have that? Thank you. The polynomials look like this. Y equals x, straight line through the origin. Y equals x squared, like a sort of bowl going through the origin, like that. Y equals x cubed, which is, when I draw it, I imagine like a negative quadratic and then a positive quadratic going through the origin there. And y equals x to the 4, which looks a lot like y equals x squared, but it's flatter at the bottom. So it's sort of, oh, it's bad because it doesn't go flat, but it sort of flattens out more than x squared does. The reciprocal graphs and the exponential graphs all have asymptotes, which is really important, so which I call landing strips. So 1 over x has 2 like that, 1 over x squared also has 2, and exponential graphs only have 1. So they're often hidden under the axis, so you can't see them. So 1 over x, the y-axis and the x-axis, the asymptotes are on top of it. Similarly for 1 over x squared, and similarly for a to the x. So unless they move up, down, left or right, you can't actually see the asymptotes, but they are there. And they're an important part of the graph. So we have x equals 0, y equals 0, x equals 0. These are the equations of the asymptotes that I'm writing on. And y equals 0. That's important. So 1 over x lives like here and here. 1 over x squared is like this, and a to the x. A is any number, looks like that. It doesn't go vertical, it goes through 1, and that's what they look like. So don't forget the aeroplane is landing. I should draw an aeroplane for you. Oh dear, even by my standards, that's a bad aeroplane. The aeroplane is coming in to land, but it's landing and 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 landing. It's not going to land, and it's not going to take off again. It's not going to do a flyby. So the asymptotes are an important part of the graph. They need to be included when you draw your graph, and you need to make sure that your aeroplane is landing, not ever landing. Okay, done. For the transformations of these graphs, see the corresponding section in the skills booklet, and then find the skill where you sketch them, and then find the video about the transformations of them. But these are the parents that get transformed.